One of the most basic editing in Photoshop is by using and rotating your image. And to do that is very simple. You can just rotate your image directly to create different angles, and you can rotate anything as long as it's an image or a text. And here's how to do it. So once you open your Photoshop, you want to go to your image and then go to the image rotation. And make sure you're on PC. Then you want to select from the image rotations. There are multiple options of rotations. You can either do a 90 degrees clockwise, a 90 degrees counterclockwise, or 180 degrees. But the thing is, you can do more than just that. You can adjust however you want. As you can see here, you can just tilt it a little bit to make it a few degrees tilted. And to choose from a different number of degrees, just simply rotate your image in Photoshop and follow the steps. But if you choose the arbitrary in the image rotation menu, then type the exact number of degrees and then choose clockwise or counterclockwise and simply click OK. And by doing so, you should automatically rotate your image in Photoshop. And that's how you can basically create rotated images or objects in Photoshop. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification